Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make quiz website in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the quiz website, what we need to do, we have to install the plugin. So for that, we have to go inside the plugin and click on the add new. And from here, we have to search for the plugin that is Quiz Maker. Okay, so let's just write down Quiz Maker here. And now you will be able to see that we have Quiz Maker at the top of the search. So we have to install this. And now let's click on the activate. Okay, so we have activated our plugin here. So now we will simply go inside the quiz maker. So let's click here. And from there, first of all, we will be creating the quizzes and then we will use that inside our WordPress website. So as you can see here, we have this sample quiz of the mathematics. So from here, we can actually create the quizzes. Okay, so how can we do this? Let's just click on the add new from here. And from here, we can simply create a new quiz. Okay, so let's go here and explore the options here. So the first thing that we have is the general settings. So the general settings, we have the title, quiz, description, and category and status. And after that, we have ordering of the questions. But right now, we haven't added any questions. So that is why we can't see any question here. Okay, so let's just write down the title of the quiz first. So that would be new quiz. Okay, and we can also add the image to our quiz. Let's try to add the image. Okay, so I would actually like to go with this one. Click on the insert into post. All right, after that we can add the description to our quiz. Okay, so this would be the description of our quiz. After that, we can add the category, but at the moment we don't have any category here. Okay, and after that we have the status. So whether you want to publish your quizzes or not. Okay, so after the status, we can add the questions from here. Okay, so let's click on insert questions. And in the questions, as you can see here, we have these 3 questions, but these are actually the sample questions. But if you want to insert your own question, first of all, you would have to create a question. So let's click here. And from here, we will be able to create our question. Okay, so as you can see here in the question, we have the image, we have the paragraph, and we have the question type. And after that, we have the options that we can have for our quizzes. Okay, so if you want to add the image, you will simply click here, and from there you can add the image. But at the moment, I will simply go with the question here. Okay, so let's just write down, how are you feeling right now? Okay, so this is actually the question. And after that, we have the question type. So if I just click here, you will be able to see that we have the radio option if you want to have the MCQs type of quiz. And after that, we have the checkbox if you want to choose or go with the multiple values. And we also have the drop down. We have the text, we have the short text, we have the number, we have the date, and we also have the true and false. And in the last, we have the custom banner, fill in the blank, and matchings. But these 3 values are actually the part of the pro version, so that is why we can't actually use this. Okay, so I would actually like to go here with true and false. So here I'll just simply write down good or bad. That is it. Okay, and here you can see this, we have the weight or the point, and we also have the keyword, but these are actually the part of pro version. And from here we can actually choose the correct answer for our quiz. So for our question, I'm actually feeling good, so I'll just simply go with the good here. So let's click here, and you can add the image if you want to, and you can also delete the option from here as well. And if you want to add more options, you can simply click here as well, and you will be able to add more options from here. But right now, I just simply like to delete this. Okay, so after the options, we have the question category. So if I just click here, you can see this, we don't have any category at the moment. And we also have the question text, but that is the part of the pro version. And in the last, we have the question status. So that would be published, and hide the question text on the front end. If you want to hide the question text, you can simply enable this. And after that, we have disable strip slashes for the answer. Okay, and in the last, we have the no influence to score. And we also have the question title here. So if you want to add the title to your question, you can simply do it from here. And we also have the advanced settings. So if I just click here, you will be able to see that we have the question hint, and we also have the question explanation, and we have the message for the wrong answer, we have the message for the right answer, and we have the note text. Okay, so I would actually like to add message for the wrong answer and the right answer. Okay, so the message for the wrong answer would be, this is not right answer, and message for the right answer would be, this is the right answer. Okay, so this is the right answer for the message for the right answer. All right, so let's click on the save and the new, because I want to add two different questions here. Okay, so let's just try to add the second question here. So that would be, what is your favorite color? And here I would actually like to use the question tab, that is radio. So I would actually like to have the 4 different options. So the first one is black color, blue, green, and I would also like to add one more option here, and that is red. Okay, and here I would actually select the correct answer, that is the black color. All right, so we have selected the correct answer from here. So you can see this, we have the same option. So the question status would be published, and I would keep these values like this, but I would also go inside the advanced settings because I want to add the message for the wrong and the right answer. So this would be, this is wrong answer, and this is right answer. Okay, so now let's click on save and close. So we have created 2 different questions here. So I will be using both of these questions in our quiz. All right, so as you can see here, at the moment we have 4 different questions here. But let's just go inside the quizzes, and you will also be able to see that the option of the quizzes and the questions are different. Okay, so let's click on the add new quiz again. Let's just write down new quiz here, and if you want to add the description, you can simply do it from here, but I will be skipping this. Okay, so let's just add the questions here. Click on the insert questions, check both of these questions, click on the insert questions, and these both questions will be added in our quiz here. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so now let's click on save and close. And we have successfully created our quiz. So if you want to use this quiz, you simply copy the shortcode from here. So let's copy this shortcode from here. And now I will be creating the post here. So let's click on the add new. Okay, so here let's just write down the title of our post. So that would be quiz. And now let's just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so to add the shortcode, that is really easy. What we need to do, let's just write down shortcode here and put this here. Okay, and here let's just paste the value of the shortcode that we have copied from the quiz maker. And now you will be able to see your quiz here. Okay, so let's click on the publish. And let's click on have a look. Now you'll be able to see the quiz that we have created. Okay, so we have our quiz here. I just click on the start, and you can see this. We have the 2 questions. The first question is actually the favorite color. So if I just click on the wrong answer here, you can see this. This is the wrong answer. Click on the next. And how are you feeling right now? Click on the correct value. And we also have this message that we have created. So now let's click on the see results. Now you'll be able to see that our score is 50%, and this is how we can create the quiz here. So if I want to restart the quiz, I'll just simply click here. Okay, so the quiz will be restarted when you click on the restart quiz. But if you want to customize the design of the quiz, you can simply go back to the WordPress dashboard. And from here, let's just go inside the quiz. And let's just click on the edit here. And from here, you can see here that we have the option of styles. So from here, we can actually customize the design or the style of our quiz. Okay, so you can explore these options by yourself. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how we can create the quiz website in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.